Hey!
You know, just like Persona 4, you know, where they go on the TVs and there's another world on the other side.
Hey!
Actually, weren't you the one who
makes Dark Souls lore look like the story of Pac-Man?
Hey! Do you have any idea what you... Hey!
Yeah, hey guys.
Hey!
Welcome to
Dark Souls?
Hey!
Make yourself comfortable.
Citizen Kane of games?
If you can find what's left of it.
Hey!
Nah, this isn't
I'm very sorry for your loss.
Well. Looks like it's us.
They're no different from the ants. No, we are far worse.
Hey!
Take that! And one more!
The Legend of Heroes. Trails of Cold Steel 3.
Hey, Fuzzball!
Your sins are innumerable. I am here to wreak vengeance upon your soul.
The Chimera Ant arc.
No.
Any more weapons you want to throw at me?
The 1967 classic 100 Years of Solitude.
I'm gonna kill Praxis! I'm gonna kill Praxis! Kill Praxis!
They're no different from the ants.
Dark Souls lore look like the story of Pac-Man.
We are far
Dark Souls lore look like the story of Pac-Man. Makes Dark Souls lore look like the story of Pac-Man.
Hey!